Hi guys, good afternoon everyone and happy Thanksgiving. So, nandito kami sa Lone Star Restaurant. Dito kami magdi-dinner. So, early yung pumunta, mga 5 kami nagpumunta dito. So, ito guys.
Okay, yung turkey has mashed potato. Okay, I'll give her my mashed potato. I'll just get the baked potatoes. And then
Nina,
I'll
sit
get
properly.
Isa, you want salmon or you want pasta? I'll just do
Happy Thanksgiving.
the Thanksgiving. We have like this. We eat the bread with the butter. That's the same.
Good job. You you eat salad. That's good. So ito guys, ito yung Thanksgiving special ng Lone Star. Yung turkey nila, yan. Ito guys. Yan. Tikman natin yung special nila at saka yan. What's that, Crystal? What is this? What is that one?
Sirloin and salmon.
Sirloin and salmon. And that one, what's that, Mark?
Did you finish that one?
That's the Texas ribeye. What's that?
Dangling down the plate. Big.
Isa, that's your miso salmon.
Right.
Yeah, that's baby back rib. That's good. So here you go. Yan.
What about turkey? You
Mm.
guys want turkey?
Good. Try this one.
The real turkey. Yeah. The real turkey? Of course, the real turkey. No,
This is
but like what
yeah, this is the real turkey.
like it's turkey. It's not turkey like the one we get for the sandwich. That's all. Turkey. It's just the gravy turkey. The gravy turkey.
Okay, hi guys. Let's drink. It's good. Okay, hi, toast. Okay.
Ano yung mashed potato? Hindi tayo nang baka may bowl sila. How give me your steak?
What? What is that? It tastes like even you can work.
Girl, ano lagay na lang yung ano, baked potato? Oh. Why? Wala na.
So what is that one? Cheese fries? You like it? Okay. So here you go, Nina. Be careful, it's hot. Sit properly, Isa.
Yeah. It's cheesy.
Are you happy, Isabel? It's your order? You like it? Ito yung bread nila sa Lone Star. Signature bread ng Lone Star. Yan, umorder kami 1 dozen. At kasama yung ano, this one. Yung, ito kasama yung ano nila, yung cream. Yun, ito yung kasama yung cream sa bread. Yung bread, oh. Yan, special bread. So, tapos na kaming kumain. So, kami ay uuwi na. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. Happy Thanksgiving again. Hasta la vista. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Love you all.